In this slide number 1, we will talk about the notification overview for the NRSCRMT 12025 recruitment. The notification has been issued by the National Remote Sensing Center, which operates under ISRO. This recruitment is for the post of scientist or engineer at the SC level in various specialized fields. Applications are to be submitted online, and the notification was released on the 10th of May, 2025. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the total number of vacancies available. There are a total of 27 posts to be filled. These are distributed across multiple disciplines: 2 positions in forestry and ecology, 12 in geoinformatics including subcategories, 5 in geology, 2 in geophysics, 6 in urban studies, and 4 in water resources. This reflects a diverse requirement for scientific talent. In this slide number 3, we will talk about the application fee structure. A non-refundable fee of 250 rupees is applicable for each application. Initially, all candidates must pay 750 rupees as a processing fee. However, candidates who appear for the written exam will receive a refund. Women, SC, ST, PWBD, and ex-servicemen will get a full refund, while others will receive 500 rupees back after a deduction. All payments are to be made via the Bharat Kosh portal. In this slide number 4, we will talk about the important dates you need to remember. The online application process begins on the 10th of May, 2025, at 10 a.m. and ends on the 30th of May, 2025, at 5 p.m. The date for the written examination will be announced at a later stage, so applicants are advised to stay updated via the NRSC website. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the age limit criteria. As of the 30th of May, 2025, candidates applying for post codes 20 to 23 must be between 18 and 28 years old. For post codes 24 to 26, the age range is 18 to 30 years. Relaxation in the upper age limit is available for candidates belonging to SC, ST, persons with benchmark disabilities, and ex-servicemen as per Government of India rules. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the required qualifications for the various posts. For post codes 20 to 23, candidates should have an MSc or MSc Tech degree with at least 65% marks, and a BSc degree with a minimum of 60%. For post codes 24 to 26, an ME or M.Tech degree with a minimum of 60% is required, along with a BE or B.Tech degree with at least 65%. These criteria must be met without converting CGPA to percentage unless explicitly allowed by the university.